Question 15. A photocopier can produce 300 copies in 6 minutes. Work out how many copies 11 of these photocopiers can produce in 4 minutes. So a photocopier can produce 300 copies in 6 minutes. How many copies 11 of these photocopiers can produce in 4 minutes? So the first thing I've got 6 minutes and 4 minutes. Let's get that kind of thing together. So I've got 300 in 6 minutes. I want to get to 4 minutes. Okay, so I can do that in one jump, or I can do it in 2 jumps. Now I can't do it in one jump. I'm struggling for that, so I'm going to do it in 2 jumps. So here I can divide by 6. So I do the same thing here. Divide by 6. And then I can go to 4 minutes. So because then I have to multiply by, this will be 1 minute, and then 1 times 4 gives me 4 minutes. So now I need to do this calculation. 300 divided by 6, I'll do that by the side. 300 divided by 6. 6 does not go into 3, carry the 3. 6 goes into 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So that's 5 times, remainder 0. So 300 divided by 6 gives me 50. 6 divided by 6 is 1 minute. So 1 times 4 is 4. 50 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20, so that's 200. So in 4 minutes, I've got 200 copies. So this is just for one copier. So one photocopier equals 200 copies. Work out how many copies 11 of these photocopiers. So now I'm going to 11 photocopiers. So I'm now going to be multiplying by, I'm going from 1 to 11, so I'm multiplying by 11. 1 times 11 is 11. So I do the same thing here. I'm going to be multiplying by 11. 2 times 11 is 22. Then I add the 2 zeros. So my final answer is 2,200 copies. Let me read the question, double check I've got everything correct. A photocopier can produce 300 copies in 6 minutes. So I've worked out what it is in 1 minute. Then I've worked out what it is in 4 minutes, which is 200. Work out how many copies 11 of these photocopiers can produce. So then I've multiplied it by 11. So I'm convinced that this is now the correct answer.